Hey guys, what's happening? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're gonna get some topsoil filler in the beds, and that's what's going on at Noah's house. Okay, a little quick update. I'll spin you around and narrate. So when I built these, I put that string line up because the last beds were crooked. So these two beds are kind of crooked too, which is fine. But the thing is, I got a pretty hefty wheelbarrow. It does not fit. Now, it fits down that row right there, but I can't go around the bend. So I've decided, since it comes right to here, I'm gonna fill this bed first. And these two beds, this one especially, I'm gonna have to fill up 5-gallon buckets of dirt and dump them by hand. Also, I'm gonna add some more stuff to this bed. I thought there was more in there, but it's gonna be cool. Maybe this bed too. Now this bed, I just had some old hay I was pulling off a bed, so I threw it on, or straw, I should say. I'm not putting anything else. I'm just, you know, they're filled kind of 3 different ways. 2 different ways, I'd say. Let me zoom you out there. So I have them all standing up, just that little bit of straw, and I'm gonna get the dirt in here. I'm gonna get it going, and later we'll have the compost put on. But just wanted to say, when you build your beds, I mean, I was a little constrained with, it had to fit within a certain thing. But spin you around. Whoop. That's better. Measure it out so your wheelbarrow fits in. Now, I can get it to that corner, but I don't want to tip up on that corner because, well, it's kind of heavy. So, hey, we're just going to get her done, peck away at it, and I'll bring it back when I'm bucketing some dirt. Okay, I'm down by the pile, a little out of breath. I had a lot of stuff to do today. It's a Friday. I don't work Fridays usually. I work 4/10s. And I do have a lot of stuff. The RV trip is looming. By the time this video comes out, hopefully that trip will be in the books in a good time. I'm gonna spin you around to show you something. This was just a pile. I have a small wood chipper, nothing special, but some of the small stuff it can't really chip up, so I just always throw it in a pile, throw it in a pile. This has been sitting here for a couple years. So I got it in there. In one of those raised beds, I'm gonna put this in there too. So the one is just the vertical stump, so to speak, with dirt, and the far one is going to be horizontal sticks, some old grasses and stuff like that, and some of this stuff. And you can see, bring it in here, it's got all kind of soil life stuff growing. Look at that, like that white stuff in there. Oh yeah, look at that. That's life. That's something interesting. There are a couple vines I'm going to try to pick up. They're all dead. This stuff has been sitting here for quite some time. I'm gonna get that up there and then. Okay, I got the wheelbarrow up here with that stuff. I just want to show you real quick. Man, I'm sweating already. It's early. It's around 9 o'clock. So I'm gonna spin you around, narrate my plan. This bed is filled. This was the horizontal ones I was talking about. This bed just has a bunch going like so, which you guys have seen. Over here I dumped that wheelbarrow of stuff. I'm gonna eyeball up. I might get one more wheelbarrow of stuff in there. Let me zoom you out. And I'm not gonna put any of that grass stuff on here. This bed here is just gonna be all that grass stuff on top. So I'm gonna have the horizontal stuff. I am gonna try to fill in the spaces with some dirt, then put the grass, then dirt on top, then the compost. That one is just the logs and the dirt. And I have been putting some pelletized chicken manure in just to throw it around. Plus I'm gonna get rid of the bag because it really stinks. So I think I'm gonna get another wheelbarrow of that, put that in there, and then fill that one up and see how it looks. Well, almost done. I'm gonna spin you around and show you how the last bed's being filled. The further bed, I could get the wheelbarrow up to that corner and then shovel by shovel over to there. But for this middle bed here, which is coming along, there's sticks, there's a little bit of dirt, there's some grass stuff, and I'm putting dirt. I have to bring a wheelbarrow over here, shovel it into a 5-gallon bucket, carry it over there, and dump it in. That's crazy, Noah, you're saying, but Sometimes you just have to do what you just have to do. So as you can see though, as far as the topsoil part, I'm just about getting there. This is not the greatest topsoil in the world. From a local landscaping supply place. That is local when they say screen topsoil. I don't know what they screen it with, an 8-inch mesh or something. but hey, we got everybody sitting outside today, relaxing. Oh, look at those carrots. But anyways, there it is again. Everybody drink. I'm almost done with the topsoil part. Oh, and I didn't really even do a little video, but I built a little planter, or a little raised bed over there, little boxes, because I had extra wood, and I figured why not. So let me get back to filling these guys. Well, the topsoil part is in. Spin you around, show you what's up. So, like I said, not the greatest topsoil. I just hosed it all down. This bed and the first bed have been sitting for a little while. So it seemed to pool up a little. I think in the dirt settled a little bit. This one, just as much water, did not pool up. You can see that one. So I'm real curious like how they're going to drain, how they're going to go, because this is kind of a clay-based topsoil. It's kind of sticky and icky. But like John Steed always says, this is what was available. And it's not really going to matter because on top, the top, what is that, 6 inches, 5 inches, 6 inches, is going to be good compost. Some homemade compost, some store-bought compost, some rotted horse manure. So that is going to be the true growing. Of course, I got mud all over my fingernail. But anyways, here it is again, kids. Drink. I gotta start finishing. Oh, I have those couple beds over there because I had to go get more dirt. Now I have extra, and I'll get those beds filled up. Oh, I'm happy.